Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video would be a little different from all the other videos I've done so far. Today I would be doing a try on haul from Myntra. So I bought a few kurtis from Myntra and I just wanted to select some affordable options. So I selected the price point of under 500 rupees. And surprisingly there were a lot of kurtis that came in the search. But I am on the thicker side, so there were comparatively a fewer options for me. But I still was able to find more than 300 kurtis under 500 bucks from Myntra. I wanted to go for different colors and even different brands so that I can compare the material, the fabric and even the fit. So here are all the 5 kurtis that I bought from Myntra and none of them were over 500 rupees. The MRP of all of them is obviously more than 500 rupees, but on a discount, usually काफ़ी सारी कुर्तियाँ Myntra पे discount पे होती हैं, so none of them were over 500 rupees on discount. I would be inserting the actual prices and the sale prices along with the kurtis. I would also do a try on thing so that you can actually see the fit and how do the look on. So just let's get into the video. So this is the first kurti and this is from the brand Florence. The MRP of the kurti is 1630 rupees and I got it for 423 rupees. So this is how it looks. It's a plain printed kurti with a very soft fabric. This is the most comfortable fabric out of all the 5 kurtis I will show you in this haul. So it's a normal full length kurti with a straight bottom and 3/4 sleeves. Has a V neckline and a floral pattern. I had a very similar kurti with almost the similar pattern and the same color. I got that one from Neeru's and it was priced at 2000 rupees. So coming to the next kurti, this is the next kurti. This is from the brand Ahika. So I did say that I wanted to buy kurtis in different colors, and though this is a pink, but this is entirely a different shade of pink. The fabric of this one is also soft, but it's not exactly cotton and it's not even similar to the previous one. So again, it's a very simple kurti. This is how the kurti looks. The neck is a simple round neck with a white printed pattern, 3/4 sleeve, and again full length with a straight bottom. The pattern which is given on the neck is not just on the neck, it goes all the way till the bottom. This kurti was initially 960 rupees and I bought it at 451 rupees. One thing I wanted to say about this brand Ahika, I saw a lot of options from the brand which were under 500 rupees and every single piece was beautiful. I didn't want to buy kurtis from the same brand, else I would have got all the 5 kurtis from Ahika. Just leave a comment down below if you would like to see more kurtis from the brand. I would love to buy more from the brand. Coming to the third kurti, this is my third kurti. This is from Lifestyles brand called Milang. I love this brand. I have a lot of kurtis from them, but they are never under 500 rupees. Even this one was not exactly way too low than 500. I guess this I bought this for around 499 rupees and the MRP was 999. It's a printed kurti with 3/4 sleeves and it has a beautiful 3-layered pattern. It's not a pattern, it's a lace. It's a little small lace, a 3-layered lace on the sleeves, and it even has some beautiful mirror things. I'll just try to show a close-up. It has some little mirrors on the upper section near the neck, and the whole kurti is floral printed. It is long and it is straight from the bottom. Fabric is cotton and it's very soft and really comfortable, especially for the summer and the humid season. The fourth kurti I have is again from the brand Milan. This is the only brand that I repeated in this haul. And the reason for that is that I really love the brand, and because I'm not able to actually go to the lifestyle store and buy kurtis from them, so I'm just buying them all. The MRP of this one is 899 rupees and I bought this for 449 rupees. It is a printed simple red kurti, but you can because it's red and the print is golden in color, you can easily dress it up to give yourself a festive look. So this is how it looks. It a simple V-neck thing with 3 buttons here, and print, the pattern goes all the way to the end. So there is the back is plain, there is no pattern at the back, and the sleeves are again 3/4. It has a little button on the sleeve so that you can just tie your sleeves there. So this kurti is slightly smaller in length as compared to the other kurtis, and this can look good with a normal golden colored salwar or even a golden patiala for a festive look. Okay, so the fifth and the final kurti is this one, and it's from the brand Genesia. I'm sorry, I'm not able to pronounce the brand properly, but I have kept this kurti for the last because this is the one that I love the most, and the reason for that is this is different from the others. So let's start from the top. So it has beautiful printed pattern on the top which extends to the sleeve, the both sides of the sleeves, and there is a pretty golden lace at the end of the sleeves, and the same lace is even given on the neck. So now it seems like a normal kurti. It extends to the base, but the different thing about the kurti is this bottom. It's not straight. Can you see? You'll be able to see it better in the try-on version, but it has some sort of ruffles in the, which makes it look pretty and not like your usual kurti. So you can use this kurti not just for your regular wear, but if you have a small gathering or small function, you can easily dress this up and make it look fashionable. The thing that I like about this kurti is the fact that there are no cuts at the side of the kurti. So this can even be worn as a dress. I have worn it as a dress in my try-on clip, and it does look beautiful. This is a piece that is very easy to dress up or dress down as per your convenience. So these are all the 5 kurtis that I bought from Myntra, and none of them were above 500 rupees. All the 5 kurtis were priced around 450, 490 or something, and I paid 2300 rupees for all 5 of them. The brands are different, the colors, the fit, everything is different, but I am happy for the fact that all 5 of them were a perfect fit for me. I personally like to buy my stuff from Myntra because of its easy return policy. You can try the products at home, and if you don't like the fit or the color or anything is wrong with the product, you can easily return them within 30 days with the price tags on, of course. And they have a no question policy, and you can easily get your money back from them. I love doing this video, and this is not something I usually do, but I really enjoy doing it. If you enjoyed it too, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section below telling me which one of these you like the most. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.